Hey everyone, if AppFlowy templates are not loading, showing blank pages, failing to import, or simply not appearing when you try to use them, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy template loading problems in 2026. First, refresh the application and try loading the template again. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent templates from displaying correctly. Next, check your internet connection if you're using cloud-based features or downloading templates from online sources. A weak connection can interrupt the loading process. Another common fix is restarting AppFlowy completely. Close the application, reopen it, and test the template again. Make sure you're using the latest version of AppFlowy. Outdated versions can contain bugs that affect template compatibility and loading performance. If specific templates are failing to load, try opening a different template. This can help determine whether the issue is related to one template or the entire template system. Another helpful step is checking whether the template has finished downloading completely. Interrupted downloads can result in incomplete or corrupted template files. And that's how to fix AppFlowy templates not loading problems in 2026. In most cases, updating the application, checking synchronization, restarting AppFlowy, and verifying template downloads will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.